Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jugal and I'm a student here at the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign. So today is a day where we have a lot of things to do. I have a lot of classes, I have to complete a few submissions as well. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So I'm probably gonna start running now, like that guy was doing, but he was doing it for fitness. I'm gonna do it because I am very late to class.
And then just divide that by n. And since this is a binary prediction, we can also use F1.
Okay, so just got done with the first class. It's about 12:30 now. I know it's time for lunch, but I've still not woken up fully. I am still like half asleep, so I'm probably gonna go get some coffee or some chai to get that caffeine hit. And this is the thing which I love about our campus. There's a Starbucks or any sort of coffee shop every block, so you can actually get one without any issues. So
It's gonna be 7:30.
it's Jugal, Jugal. Thank you so much.
I don't believe in free time.
Charlie, for Juggin.
But the actual algorithm itself. So let's say I'm a child, I'll start the protocol by sending a message to the parent.
Okay, so got done with all of the classes. It's about 3:20 p.m. right now. I know it's super late, but this is what I've been trying to do for a few days, that I make, like I combine my lunch and dinner together so that I don't have to eat two meals. Black beans.
Is that all for you?
Oh yeah, that would be it.
It'll be $9.20.
Okay.
For here to go?
For here.
Chicken bowl heard. Yeah, if you see yours, and then
Okay, so just a little bit of knowledge for you guys. Having a credit card in the US is super important. I already have a video on Instagram about the same. I'll link it down below in the description. But yes, you cannot get a credit card in USA to spend money on without a social security number, for which you need a job. So like getting a 04x credit card like Zolve, which I was using for the past two transactions which I showed you, is kind of a win-win situation because it helps you get rewards on rewards, getting more cash back, and it also helps you be more financially disciplined because to use a credit card you have to have discipline with, and this is kind of a no risk learning for a discipline. And once you develop that discipline, it's good. And Zolve also comes with a lot of different features, like it has different kinds of earnings of cashback on all different stores like Starbucks, Chipotle. The two stores that I spent, I get around 5% back, which may not seem a lot, but over time it adds up. Not only do you not need an SSN number to apply for Zolve cards, but you also don't need a credit score or credit history in the US, which most US credit cards need. You can simply apply using your Indian passport and Indian Aadhaar card and PAN card details and get the Zolve credit card, which you can use as a normal credit card here in the US and still earn cashback and those rewards, which kind of is a no-brainer if you're coming to the US for the first time. And you can also use your referral links with your friends to earn some extra cash, which you can use on the side as well. Okay, so I think I'm going to head home for a while just to relax, get some work done, and then I'll see you at night when we are actually leaving for Garba, which is super interesting because it's my first time over here doing a Garba session in the US. Okay, so I was at my home for the last couple of hours. I slept for a while, like an hour, and then got some work done. Now, as I told you, I'm heading to that Garba thing. First, there's some sort of aarti, which we do for, I mean, I'll show you, then you'll understand what it is. So first there is that aarti, and then there is also some kind of provision for playing actual Garba. I don't know if they'll play it today or tomorrow. They did say they're going to play it today, but if not today, then they're going to play tomorrow. So that is something where I'm going right now. Okay folks, I just got off the bus and going back home now. It was fun, but it was kind of slow, like not what we have in Gujarat, but it was a fun experience nonetheless, connecting with new people and doing what I love. I've always loved Garba. I've been doing it for so many years at this point. So apparently there's a big one tomorrow somewhere near my home again. So I'm probably gonna go there as well, but I think that was it for today. Please like this video, and if you love this kind of videos, consider subscribing to the channel as well, as it helps me out massively and motivates me to keep doing this. And if you have anything to ask me regarding the US, life in US or masters, how to apply for masters, drop them down in the comments section below and I'll be happy to help. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.